3 years ago I bought a McFarlane 5014, and I tried 3 or 4 different machines out before I decided on this one. The versatility of this, with the angle adjustment set with both reels, and with the middle reel that we can do more aggressive work with corn stalks, corn stubble. I don't like to plant in the corn crowns, so I set the middle reel in about 1.5 to 2 inches in the fall. We run about 3 inches deep at 8 miles an hour, and it virtually eliminates all corn crowns, so you plant so much better. The ground is noticeably warmer and drier in the spring because of the job this does. We run 9 degrees in the front, 6 degrees in the back, and usually 1.5 inches deep on the reel in the fall. In the spring I change and go to 6 degrees in the front, 6 in the back, and about 2 inches deep. And we're ready to plant it at that time.